Hello all, welcome to Kalam Learning Lab YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you two Android applications which you can use for online teaching, and these two tools have helped me a lot and I have personally I'm using since long time. So mind mapping is one of the great technique for effective teaching. So this will really help you to improve your teaching methodology and make it more effective. So the first tool is Mindly and second tool is Mindline. So I'll show you the first tool, Mindly. So just come here and type, go to Google Play Store. So once you open Google Play Store, come here and type Mindly. So this is the tool, Mindly. I have already installed. I'll just open. And the second tool that you have to open is Mind Node. So open this Mind Node. So I have already installed even this app. So just open this as well. The first is Mindly and the second tool is Mindline. Mindline. So you can open use these two tools. I have given the link of these two tools in the description. So how to use Mindly? So Mindly is a great tool for mind mapping for Android users. So even you can use this for in an upgraded version. If you pay 490 rupees, you can they will give you full access. I mean, it'll be having a pro version of this tool. Even the basic tool will help you a lot. So this is how the mind mapping works. So you can rotate this and you can create the circle, and the main topic can be the center part, and you can create more options. And how to use, if you click on this, again more nodes will open, and if you click on click back and again it will go back. So if you click on the share button, again it will go to some other options. So this is one of the best tool. So you can also add images if you want. So I have added one image here, and if you want to add one more node, click on this node and type you can type the main text and next note of in the tool. So one more node have been added here. So this will engage your students for a longer time. And if you want to export, you can export it in PDF format, and you can share it with your students for the reference. So this is one of the best tool that I have come across, Mindly. So I strongly recommend you all to buy the upgraded version, I mean pro version, which is just 490 rupees. And if you're not using pro version, you can have only 3 nodes, and you can use only 3 nodes. So this is one of the best tool I have come across. It's called, first is Mindly, okay, and second is Mindline. So what is Mindline is, this software will help you to create Mindline. I'll show you how to use this. So if you're teaching something, maybe assume that you're teaching regarding programming languages, top 5 languages, and you want to create a nodes. For example, if you want to tell that HTML, and next you can create one more node, CSS, and next you can tell JavaScript, and if you have something like PHP, then you want to talk about SQL. So after that, if you want to extend this part, again you can create one more node, and after this you can save this. So if you want to save and type confirm. So I have created many of Mindlines already. So this is how I have used this tool. So if I'm on a Zoom call or a Skype call, I open this, I share my screen. It will be very helpful for me to teach online. So this tool is also a great tool which I strongly recommend. So these are the two mind mapping tools I'm using since long time. One is Mindly and second is Mindline. Thank you all.